Hello and welcome to Breathwork series. If you are new to this channel, my name is Yovana and I wanted to share a bit of my story with you, if that's okay. Breathwork helped me achieve many goals in my life. It helped me with my physical health, mentally. It helped me deepen my meditation and in many other spheres of my life. We breathe countless breaths without even putting any effort intentionally into it. So we breathe automatically and we aren't really aware what's going on. We just know that we are alive, right? But what if I told you that if you put attention and intention in your breath and you breathe in a certain way, that it can help you with, first of all, your health. It can help you with managing your stress, your anxiety. It can also help you lower your blood pressure, heal from injuries. It can help you with insomnia and many other things that I will be going over in detail in specific breathing technique videos that will be upcoming. So what is my idea here? My idea here is to share the knowledge with you, so you are equipped with tools to take with you anywhere you go. Unlike yoga, that you require a mat, you require maybe blocks or a strap, breathing doesn't require any props. You don't need to buy anything, there is no investment, you just can. I don't want to say you should. You can gain knowledge. So this tool that you take with you, you can use it to help yourself in such situations, to make your life better wherever you're at. Whether you are doing them seated or laying down, you can just sit on a chair or on the floor or a cushion. You can lay down in bed, depending on the breathing technique, and you will see great benefits. So I'm sure you heard of some, maybe even many breathing techniques, maybe in your yoga studio, or maybe you watched some videos before, but I can't say for sure that you don't know, but there are high chances that you aren't aware of what are the benefits of those breathing techniques and maybe what are the contraindications, if there is any. So when you shouldn't be doing certain breathing techniques, and when you should do them actually. So my idea here is to share this with you and equip you with this knowledge, because without this knowledge, just simply doing breathing techniques is like giving a sword to a warrior and then not telling him how to use the sword. You might be breathing and then you're not sure what is this breath for. You might be breathing and maybe not doing it in the right way, or you might be breathing where you are not supposed to use this breathing and increase the symptoms or something that you already have. So to prevent this, let's educate ourselves, let's practice together over upcoming videos. I will create a folder on my YouTube channel, so you can come to it and check them out. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so, so you can always come back and have a look at it, and you can hit the notification bell. I will be uploading new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you will get notified and be able to see them first. Light in me shines on the light in you. Namaste.